In this video, we're sharing 10 life-saving health habits backed by science. Stay with us till the end. You might find one habit that changes your life. 1. Eat whole foods. Highly processed foods are filled with sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. Switching to whole foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins reduces your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Your body thrives on natural fuel. 2. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your body functioning at its best. It helps flush out toxins, supports your kidneys, and even boosts energy and focus. Aim for at least 8 cups a day or more if you're active. Person drinking water, kidneys glowing, clear skin transformation. 3. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is when your body heals and resets. Poor sleep increases your risk for heart problems, obesity, and even depression. Make 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep a priority. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens your immune system and harms your heart and brain. Daily deep breathing, meditation, or even walking outdoors can keep stress hormones in check. 5. Move every day. You don't have to run marathons, just get moving. 30 minutes of walking, dancing, or cycling lowers your risk of stroke, cancer, and dementia. 6. Take oral health seriously. Gum disease is linked to heart disease and diabetes. Brush twice a day, floss daily, and visit your dentist regularly. A healthy mouth equals a healthier body. 7. Get sunlight. Just 15 minutes of sunlight a day helps your body produce vitamin D, which strengthens your bones and immune system. 8. Cut back on salt and sugar. Too much salt raises blood pressure, while sugar spikes increase diabetes risk. 9. Get regular checkups. Prevention is better than cure. Don't wait for symptoms. Regular blood pressure, cholesterol, and sugar tests can catch problems early and save your life. 10. Strengthen your relationships. Healthy relationships reduce stress, improve mental health, and even extend lifespan. Call a friend, join a group, or spend time with family. You'll feel the difference. Here's a quick recap of the 10 life-saving habits. Eat whole foods, stay hydrated, prioritize sleep, manage stress, move every day. Care for oral health, get sunlight, cut salt and sugar, get checkups, strengthen relationships. Start small, but start today. Your future self will thank you. Leave a comment, give us a like, and subscribe to Research and Health Media for more life-saving health content.